Hi everyone, please join me, and in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet 3D cute flower. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round of my flower. Make a chain. Work into the ring. Make 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Once I have done 6 single crochet into the ring, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, I insert the hook only into the back loop. Make a slip stitch. Let's crochet round 2. Make a chain, insert the hook into the back loop, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Work with back loops only. Make 2 single crochet into the back loop. Continue 2 single crochet into the next back loop, 1 and 2. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I am about to complete round 2. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. Before continue, let's stop here. I have got 12 single crochet stitches in my round and 6 free loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's crochet round 3. Make a chain, then single crochet into the same first stitch. Work with stitches. Make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 and 2. Then single crochet into the next stitch, then single crochet twice, 1 and 2. Then single crochet into the stitch 1 and 2. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete round 3. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. Pull it. Let's crochet round 4. For this, make a chain, then make single crochet twice into the next stitch, 1, 2. Then 2 single crochet in round, 1 and single crochet through the next stitch, 2. Then 2 single crochet increase, work into the next stitch, 1, 2. Then 2 single crochet in round, 1, 2. Keep working this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete round 4. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 4 is ready. Let's crochet round 5. It is going to be a round of petals. I'm going to work in 3D crochet style. Chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you remember, my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 free loops. Insert the hook into the first free loop. Make single crochet into this free loop. This is my free loop. Then turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make 7 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Make a chain and turn the work like this. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make single crochet. Then half double crochet into the next stitch and double crochet into the same stitch. Continue. Make double crochet twice into the each of next 3 stitches. 1 and 2. This is the first time. 2 and 3. Well done. Make double crochet and half double crochet into the same stitch. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Before continue, let's stop here. My cute petal is almost ready, but I still need to continue. I just need to do one more row. Here how it looks like. Before continue, now I show you my ready project. I would show you the variation of the petals. You can crochet stitches with picot. I will crochet the picots. So it is going to be like this one. Or you can just do a row of single crochet, and here how it looks like. You can choose any variation. In my case, I would crochet the picots. Let's crochet the last row of my petal and continue. Make a chain and turn the work. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make single crochet. You can crochet only single crochet stitches, but I'm crocheting single crochet with picot. Chain of 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My single crochet with picot is ready. Then single crochet into the next stitch and chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch. Make single crochet into the stitch, then chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch. Single crochet, chain of 3 and work with a slip stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Once I have done 12 single crochet with picot, from this stitch skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch, make a slip stitch. So my cute petal is ready. Here how it looks. Work with the next stitch, make slip stitch, then make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next free loop, make single crochet, then turn the work, make 7 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. You should crochet in the same way as I showed you before. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 such petals. Then I will show you how to complete this flower with me. Once I have done all 6 petals, and now I show you how to complete it. I have already cut off my yarn. Once I have done the last slip stitch, and now insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. And pull it. My flower is ready. Here what I have at this point. It could be perfect for decoration. Let's look at the back side. You can remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook, or you can leave it and sew a bead to the center of the flower. I add a bead, and my beautiful flower is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done. So once I have done my flower, I already removed all piece of yarns and added a bead to the center of the flower. It could be perfect to create decoration, or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or Guipure laces. For this project you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my flowers. In this case I used wool yarn. Here how it looks. Don't be afraid to experiment. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Bye!